Well guys, yeah, guess where I am today? Oh, okay, not bad. Anyway, I'm here for just one reason today. And yeah, of course, it's the new Revuelto. Let's see how long does it take to the guard to shut down the gate. Let the count begin. Oh, heh, okay, nice. Guys, I think I heard a startup here, and it sounds like a V12, so bear with me for a second. Oh, still the prototype. But hey, at least we can hear the hybrid V12, so not that bad. Here we have something else. Oh, Technica, nice. Should be like redesigned. Okay, it was pretty good, but yeah, it was the good old prototype we've seen many times before. But as I've already told you, I'm here for the real Revuelto, with the final body and possibly without camouflage, so let's see if I can get to see one. Urus Performante, not a really nice spec. Oh, that's nice. Now that's what I call a 10 out of 10 spec for a Urus. Just a regular Urus S, I guess. I see you there. Oh, nice. Technica with an interesting livery. Oh, wait. Another nice spec on a Performante. Very nice. Nah, more V10. Well, at least it's a nice spec. But again, this is not the reason I'm here today. This might be it. Oh, there she is. Unfortunately, yeah, it was in full electric mode, so next time. Yeah, I did it, guys, I did it again. So that was the first Lamborghini Revuelto on the road. Unfortunately, we didn't get to hear the V12, but I'm definitely not going home until we hear the engine. And of course until that beautiful Verde Shock Revuelto comes back. Oh shit. Yeah, they closed the gates, guys. Told you. And there is a Urus incoming, I guess. Come on, focus. Nice. Definitely a Performante. More and more Urus. This should be an S. Will it be another Urus? Probably yes. Definitely feels like a V10. Yeah. Matte black STO, very nice. Ha! Red Performante. Yes. Oh, wait a moment. And another one. Oh, I don't know where to go. that was kinda unexpected. Another very nice spec. Oh, easy there. Yes, indeed, what a spec. Pretty nice. Here it comes once again. Never seen this car before here in Sant'Agata. Well, if you ask me, I think the engineers are testing the other brands' electric vehicles, the so-called benchmarking. And yeah, this also means Lamborghini is actually working on a brand new electric powertrain. Pretty interesting. Okay, it has matte finish all over the body. Very interesting. That's very unusual. A very old Huracan LP610. Oh, come on, that's enough with the Euros. And of course another one. Wow. Well guys, I think that's enough for today. Yeah, as you may have noticed, this is a very different kind of video from my usual ones. But I wanted to try something different for a very long time. Something more personal, maybe like a vlog. Yeah, pretty cool. As I was saying, the channel is going pretty bad right now. And this means I have to try something different. Because as it turns out, the YouTube algorithm doesn't like my video very much right now. And another Euros. So this is just to inform you guys that I'll be trying new things. No, I won't be vlogging again, because as you can see I don't feel very comfortable. But yeah, I had to try it. Another Euros, white one, don't mind it. Because if you don't try, well, you have already failed. So please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And see you in the next video.